Are you feeling stuck and a little out of ideas for your YouTube channel? Today I've got 7 places to look for inspiration for new, fresh content. The first one is right here on the YouTube trending tab. Look at all of these videos that are trending right now on YouTube. You can browse through these videos and see if there's anything that gives you ideas for new videos of your own. So if everybody's going in on a challenge, you can do that challenge too. Or you can put your own twist on a video. So for instance, if you see everybody doing a Chloe Ting workout challenge and you're a fitness trainer, maybe you make a video that shows people how to do the proper form on each of those moves, since that's not something Chloe Ting covers in her videos. So just look at the trending tab, and what you can hope for is that when people watch one of these trending videos, your content will get suggested next. The second place to look is advertisements. If you do product reviews on your YouTube channel, look at ads that you see on pre-roll ads on YouTube or maybe on your Facebook page, because other people are seeing those ads too, and they're going to be searching for reviews or demos of those products. Now, if you want to make money by reviewing products on YouTube, I got to suggest that you go on over to JennJager.com and check out my affiliate marketing playbook, where I show you how to make money reviewing products on YouTube. I will link to that one below. The next place to look is industry news. What are trade magazines and websites talking about? Browse their content, and if anything speaks to you, turn it into a video. The next place to look is your own successful content, and take a big idea that you already made a video on and turn it into micro topics. So how can you take that one video idea and make many, many more detailed videos about that general topic? So for instance, if you have a channel about gardening, don't just make a video about orchids, make a video about how to pot an orchid, and then another video about how to attach an orchid to a tree, and another one about how to make that orchid bloom again. So see how one idea can turn into many different videos. The next place to look is the calendar. And I don't just mean like the regular calendar with the regular holidays on it. Nowadays, every day is a national something day, right? So go to nationaltoday.com and browse the next couple of months. What holidays are coming up that you could tie your content to? The next place to look is online forums. Go to Quora or Reddit and search keywords similar to your content. What are people asking questions about? Make videos that answer those questions, because those are the same questions people are typing into the YouTube search bar. Place number 7 to look is other YouTube channels similar to yours. Now, you obviously don't want to copy anyone else's content directly, but just by looking at the titles and thumbnails of your peers' content can give you a lot of ideas. Something I like to do is to go way back into the archives of some of my peers' videos, and I wonder, how can I update those old videos for today? Listen, we all get stuck when it comes to creating YouTube content. It's hard to churn out ideas all the time. So one exercise I definitely recommend is to sit down and write out 100 ideas for content for YouTube, and just hang on to that list. And if you ever really feel stuck, just pull it out and pick one and go with it. If you liked this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching. I'll see you again.